Alright, 0607 luxury box. Sorry about the glare. I'm trying to fix it. Hang on. Alright, let's do it. Tim Duncan. 48 out of 49. Darko Milicic. Yao Ming, Jason Richardson. Oh, Yao Ming number to 449. Jason Richardson, Kevin Garnett. Tracy McGrady. And my auto, which has something on it, I don't know. Deron Williams, auto, jersey. Jermaine O'Neal out of 329, green. Gilbert Arenas, Josh Howard. Wish my auto was better, but it's alright. George Garvin. Jason Kidd out of 349. Steve Novak out of 999. Bob McAdoo and Steve Nash. Jason Kidd, base. Dirk Nowitzki, base. Ben Wallace, base. Paul Davis out of 499. Shaquille O'Neal, base. Richard Hamilton, base. Thick one. This is my triple. James Worthy, base. Nice. That's a nice card. Grant Hill, Dwight Howard, and J.J. Redick out of 249. Marty Collins, rookie out of 329. Moses Malone, Mike Bibby, base. Kobe Bryant, base. Joe Johnson, base. Michael Redd, base. Rodney Carney out of 999. Kirk Heinrich, Elton Brand. Isaiah Thomas. Nice. Paul Pierce out of 349, mezzanine. Daniel Gibson out of 499. Jermaine O'Neal and Allen Iverson, base. Oh, I hate that when you get to the last pack. There's nothing special in here either. Ray Allen, base. Gerald Wallace, base. Chris Bosh, base. Oh, nice. That's really nice, actually. Brandon Roy, 10 out of 19. I don't know how to... I can't get it in there, but it's 10 out of 19. Brandon Roy. So that's a nice one. Carmelo Anthony and Karl Malone base. So, there's all my base, all my numbered cards, and then my Paul Pierce jersey, Grant Hill, Dwight Howard, and JJ Redick, Jason Kidd, and Darko Milicic, number to 49. And then there's my Deron Williams out of 139 auto. I might buy another box of that stuff because I think I like it alright, but I'll get this up, and some of those are for trade, so probably, so like the numbered cards and the autos and stuff, so just let me know if you're interested. Alright, bye.